এখানে আমরা যারা আপনারা এসছেন এবং আমাদের হসপিটালের জন্য একটা অক্সিজেন কনসেন্ট্রেটর একটা করেছেন, দান করেছেন, তার জন্য সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ। আমি আমার মুরাইবাড়ি পিএইচসির সকল স্টাফের তরফ থেকে আপনাদেরকে ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি। আমাদেরকে এই মহামারীর সময় অক্সিজেনের যেখানে খুব দরকার, সেখানে এমন একটা গুরুত্বপূর্ণ এবং ভ্যালুয়েবল জিনিস দেওয়ার জন্য আমরা অক্সিজেন কনসেন্ট্রেটরটা দেওয়ার জন্য আমরা সবাই।
Okay, sir, thank you for giving this beautiful time. So, sir, I would like to ask you, what in this is a new PHC. So, what is the most important thing that it is required but not yet available in this PHC?
The most important thing is drinking water.
Yes, sir.
The drinking water pipeline is not available there.
Okay.
And for a hospital, 24/7 water supply and this electric supply is must. But we are not getting there. So we are facing some problem to run our hospital. Moreover, we are having shortage of staff. We don't have any clerical staff. And some MPWs are lagging. We don't have any accountant. One HMI has been transferred recently, but one pharmacist is doing as an accountant. I have to do clerical job. So many more things are there. Moreover, one thing, no network connectivity. So internet connectivity is very much necessary because today's era we have to give daily report on daily basis through net, WhatsApp or email or whatever. But we can control from here. So we have to run CM office or any private this computer shop to complete our this reporting system. So we are facing some problems there. These things are one thing is the road conditions. At present it is better, but at one point of time during the summer season or during the rainy season, the road becomes worst. And you people know very well, better than me I think. You people suffer more. You are local people there. The road condition is not good. Not good. It becomes actually 2 to 3 years back it was poor, I think, when I joined there. But now for 5 to 6 months it has been improved, but not up to that mark, I think so. And the road condition and public vehicle service is must to give service from our hospital. Because one patient, serious patient cannot come here. He need to rush district hospital. From Murai also, people are going district hospital because the road condition and the service availability is not good there. You can't give the quality service to people because of some problems, electricity, light, and drinking water, shortage of staff. So things are the problem actually. But still we are trying to give quality service as far as possible.
Thank you so much, sir.
Good afternoon to you all. And today we came here in the Muwa PHC and through the love of Maharaja Pradeep Kishore Manakia, the chairman of Tripura Matha, that we have contributed one oxygen concentrator for the benefit of, for the improvement of these Muwai people and this under the rural BC, so that the people get a privilege to have an oxygen concentrator. And this we can see only the love of this Maharaja Muwa. Today, as we have been talking with the doctor, the in charge of this PHC, he have various issues that he discussed with us, that we have known that our condition is not good and shortage of staff. Regarding this, I would like to inform to the doctors that we'll be taking the initiative, and I'll be personally talking regarding these matters to the EM of our ADC, who is taking our health, taking care of the health department. So we urge your cooperations as in charge of this PHC, and we want to say that we'll take initiative on this part. Thank you very much.